Here's a tackle trading quick concept check of the four core trading patterns: bullish retracements, bullish breakouts, and bearish retracements and bearish breakouts. So a bullish retracement is any time you have a price action where you see the price rise to a new high with good momentum and for it to pull back down into a retracement. So again, anytime you see a nice rise into a new high and a pull back down. Oftentimes that pull back down comes into an old support resistance zone, or it'll come to the bottom of the trend channel or a moving average, for example. So a bullish retracement is, again, anytime you see a nice strong move to the upside like this one, a pull back down into a support catalyst and a continuation up. A breakout pattern is anytime the price breaks above resistance. So in the context of an existing uptrend, for example, when the price breaks resistance, we love to try to pick it up and buy that breakout. Again, anytime we see a price action break a resistance zone, we like to buy the breakouts. It can be off of a W pattern on the bottom where you catch the first breakout. And again, any subsequent breakout above resistance might be a good time to buy with proper risk management. Now, to flip this upside down onto the bearish side, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at Kellogg's. And Kellogg's has been in a bearish retracement for quite some time. And right now it has a bearish retracement pattern at the time I'm making this video. And again, here's the support resistance zone, a big strong run down to a new low and a retracement back up into that catalyst. And we might look to trade to the downside with confirmation. Again, those bear retracements, anytime you see a strong drop and a rally back up, and again, we look for those retracements. Now, the breakdown, by contrast, is anytime you see a failure of support, we like to try to sell short. Anytime we see a price action break below a support zone, again, when we break below support zones, we like to take action and sell short. So you now understand bullish retracements and bullish breakouts, and bearish retracements and bearish breakouts or breakdowns.